Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's going to be a video before this that I'm not going to address, but this is the first video I am filming. I'm covering my head. I'm going to put this here because honestly I'm taking out my hair, but this is the first video I am filming with my new channel name. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I changed my channel name to KK. Just because I wanted to disassociate from my brand name. So Mikasi is a brand name that I have for myself, so I don't want to infuse both lives together basically. So I am going to be going by KK on my channel now. Once again, obviously my real name is not Mikasi anyways. My name is Kumi, and to be fair, I do get called KK. So yeah, I'm just making that my channel name now. So it's your girl KK. I'm back. Maybe I'll do a new Q&A. I don't know, maybe I'll actually do a proper reintroducing myself at some point. But yeah, so let's get into today's video because this might be a pretty long one. I'm literally just vlogging for today. I am turning 25, you guys. God. The big 25. And I'm doing a photo shoot, so I am going to be vlogging my day today. As you guys can obviously tell, my hair is not done. So my shoot's at 6 p.m. It's currently 9:36 a.m. I have to go get waxed. My wax appointment is at 11:20. I have to go to the mall because I'm trying to find gold shoes for one of my outfits. I know this is super last minute. It wasn't supposed to be like that, but it was a last minute idea to do a photo shoot to start with. But like the way this week has been, it was just extremely busy. I honestly could not even do much. I managed to get my nails done, thank God, because I almost pushed my nail appointment to, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to hide because like there's a design on it. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Yeah. So I basically like pushed my nail, I was going to push my nail appointment to Saturday, and in hindsight I'm very glad that I did not. I'm going to my hairstylist, LBS, and I am going to be doing a quick weave because I am going to be taking out that hair on Thursday. I'm going to be taking out the hair on Thursday because I am going to Vancouver for my birthday. I'm also going to be vlogging that trip, so stay tuned, guys. I have to go to the mall. I have to go get waxed, and then I'm going to get my hair done. I have enough time to do all of that, fingers crossed. So I should get to the studio for 6, and it's a 3-hour session because I get 2 hours to do my makeup there and an hour for the actual photo shoot. But you guys are going to come along. You guys are going to see that. I'm just going to get myself ready. I started taking out my hair, but honestly I'm gonna keep taking it out, and then I'm gonna join Winnie, who is my hairstylist, and we will finish it up together. I am just packing up my stuff right now into a box and trying to put like my makeup, my jewelry, all of that, and because once I leave my house, I'm not coming back till after the shoot, so I have to make sure I have everything, because if you all know Toronto traffic is insane and I'm not about to be going back and forth. So that is my little intro. If this is your first time on my channel, I do apologize that you have to see me in this state to start. It's crazy up in here, but you know, it is what it is. If this is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button and join the gang. Happy to have you here. Let's get into this. Go take a look at my new like banner and everything. Tell me what you think, because I think I did a good job with it. Okay, this looks much better. But yeah, so I'm literally gonna head out now. It is now 10:30, so I have a bit of time to run to the mall first before my appointment because it's not too far from each other. I think like I know the stores I want to go check really quickly. Yeah, if I leave now, I think I should be fine. Hey y'all, just got to my appointment. All right guys, so I've just got waxed. Ooh, that looks red, man. But yeah, so guys, do you see how this is red? So I've never looked at it on camera, but it actually looks red on camera. But yeah, this is it. like this. It looks, you can see the red more, but yeah, basically. I'm gonna head to Von Mills now, so I will see you guys once I get there. Yeah. Hi loves, I just got to my hair appointment. Look at this face. You're not going to recognize her in a couple hours because it will be a brand new person. But yeah, all right, bye guys. See you in, we'll see you in like how many hours, I don't know, but it's 1:21 right now. Let's just chuck it up to 12:30, sorry, to 1:30. See you guys in a couple hours, few hours. But yeah, bye, peace and love. All right guys, my hair is like check-in period. Yeah, this is where I'm at. It is 3:56 and here's what my hair looks like. We're about to pack this up, I'm assuming, but yeah, let's get into this. I ordered food, by the way. I got amala. PS, I don't think amala is that great in general, but you know, I just got it to eat for today. But oh my gosh, you guys. Would you all believe this hair is like $30?
It looks nice.
Okay, time for the ponytail.
Damn.
Check with you guys in
You know you left one
30
in my house,
minutes. Oh. Alright guys, literally just finished at the studio. I would close the video out here, but I feel like you guys can't even hear me properly. But let me give you all a sneak peek of what the studio looks like. That's what it looks like, literally. Look at my makeup, you guys. I didn't talk to you guys, but obviously I had my friend holding the camera and filming for me, so you all will see all the inserts of everything. Well, you would have seen it by now. But yeah, literally packing up my stuff and I'm going. Call me vlogger KK. Oh, by the way, I changed my channel name
To vlogger KK?
no, to KK.
Yeah, that's nice.
But I literally almost forgot everything we came here with. But look at me, you guys.
Vlogger KK.
All right, thank you so much. Have a good night, guys. Liberty Studios. When you all see these pictures, shocked. was giving you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of mine. Like I said earlier, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed and join the gang. So, and I changed my channel name, so it's now KK. Love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.